Welcome back to good old RVing, people. I'm figuring it out. So let's get into it before I go crazy and pull all the rest of my hair out. Okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, first things first, let's get that old one off. That old plumbing off. Drain pipes and see what we can do. Here we go. Everything is pretty loose, or let me rephrase that. Everything loosens up pretty easily. Alright, first thing we do is take the B-trap off. That's why we have this bucket here. That takes care of the P-trap. Now, we simply take these off. Boom, boom. As you'll see in the upper corner, I'll be putting pictures of the parts I'm using and where I got them. Or I might just tell you where I got them, I don't know. I think I got between Home Depot and Amazon is where I got them. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. Because this pipe right here, I cannot change the height of it. And so everything has to line up to the exact same height that was, and therefore it cannot be higher than this pipe. Or I mean lower than this pipe. It has to be higher. So the crossover pipe and everything has to be higher than the straight pipe. And so that's what I'm working on right now. You can see in the pictures that I'm displaying the different ways I tried to set it up, but the angles and the heights and measurements were just off. And so I finally found a way to do it. And this is what I got right here. So first off, gotta take it apart in the middle. Okay, got this piece that I'm putting here. This piece cannot be aimed this way. It has to have the flange with this type of seal. This is the best seal. Going up against it this way. So when you tighten it up, it's solid. So let me try that now. There it is. Okay, now we'll do the same thing on the other side. These are the same length, and this particular kit I bought at Home Depot after I figured out all the different things I needed. That was fun. Okay, so this, you can see how I have that seal on there. The seal faces down. I don't know how well you can see that. And so this goes up here first, like this, and then the seal like this. There you go. Okay. Now, plug this in here. As tight as you can. There you go, just like that. Okay, and then this one, do the same thing. Okay, so here's where you make your first measurement. Okay, and it's going to go inside there. So I'm going to have to cut it off about here. Let me get my marker. Okay, so we're going to cut it about here. Right here. Okay. Okay, so that's how that one's going to go. I could unscrew this. Like that. Okay. Okay, plug this baby in here. Okay, plug this baby right here. The new seal. Okay, there's that. And then this one. Like that. Okay. Now, okay, this one's pretty much done, out of the way. Get that over here. Now the next part will be this. Get it up here. See that there's already a seal there. Okay, tighten it up onto this one. Okay, now as you can see, there's a lip right here. Okay, you can't go that high, but you can go this high. Okay, so on this particular one, we're going to cut it off to where this is level. So we're looking right in this area because it has to sit into here. So let me mark that. We'll just mark it about right here to give it room. That'll give it room to work with it. Okay. Now, just gotta undo it. Let's go this way. And this way. Okay. Okay. Now we can just simply bring this over, line it up, push everything together, tighten down on it. Okay, tight, 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 and tight. Okay, now if you're a plumber, you're probably saying, no, you can't do it like that. But if you look how much higher this is, if the water comes into here, you're going to see it in the drain, okay? And so, and then plus, this is the drain pipe that I'm going to attach to this right here. And so, I tell you, I think I can do it like this. And I think it's going to turn out perfect. And right now, even with this not connected, I'm going to aim it over here, of course, just to be sure. But I'm going to run some water, make sure nothing leaks. Okay, put water down both sinks, and no leaks, so we're looking good. Alright, coming up on the next video, I'll show you how to run that drain pipe to where I actually need to hook up to the dishwasher. Alright, I hope you got something out of this. Until next time, bye.